Hey guys, it's Steve from System X. We're at MIG's Auto Detail in Las Vegas. Getting ready to do the first Max G Plus on this McLaren. What do you think?
Hey, I'm ready. Let's get to work.
All right, let's go. All right, we're installing G Plus. Application is super easy. Make the X for your kind of snail trail. We're going to leave this video live to show the true flash time. All right, so then using the 3-tail method, we'll start with our first microfiber to break up the bulk of the coating or any excess that is left on there. And then jumping into the second microfiber is kind of just to do all the detailed work. Really soaks up the excess. And then finishing it off with a super high ply, fluffy microfiber. Gives you that insurance that nothing is left behind. If you guys have any questions about System X Max G Plus, leave a comment below. If you're looking to sign up for System X and get started using this amazing coating, give me a call or shoot me a text. My phone number is 860-553-3115, or you can email me at Persia, Persia, @element119.com.